I don't know, $4,000 or $5,000, $6,000 to the right person. Look at this shifter. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. These are definitely the original rims. I mean, the whole car's original. I believe it's repainted from what I can tell. But he went into all the details, even with the, I believe those are bias ply tires. I believe they are. But anyway, all right. Have I drooled over the car enough, guys? Have you seen enough yet? Those are fiberglass. That's a fiberglass hood, and that's a fiberglass trunk lid. When Carol was putting them together, he kind of had some people that weren't working at a high wage, and they just jammed the fiberglass hoods and trunks in there. They sometimes don't fit. This one appears to have perfect lines, which is very interesting, because they usually don't have perfect lines. The last Shelby I shot too had one of the letters down, which was kind of strange. So I'm assuming they were stuck on. I don't know where the owner is of this car.
Right there.
Right where? In the red? Thank you. How do you feel about being on video?
Porn star, man.
Ah! You don't want to be on video?
Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that.
All right, all right. The owner's passing on getting interviewed, which I respect. But you guys have gotten a sense of this very. How many of these cars are made?
913.
915?
Nine something.
They only did 500 of the 69s, right? The bosses.
I don't know.
429?
I'm not sure about that.
Okay,
Yeah.
but there was how many again?
Somewhere around 900 of the fastback.
How many do you think are left?
That's hard to say.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
There's a registry.
Yes, there is.
You know, I know you know.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, there is a Shelby registry to find out, but approximately 1,100 cars were made. I don't think too many of them are around. They were abused, nor were they respected when they first came out. I mean, they were respected, don't get me wrong. You're driving a sick car. That's a very rare car. It's about 1,100 done, and I'll probably edit all that out. And I don't want to bag on anybody on the East Coast, because one person shouldn't give them a bad reputation. But beautiful. I know, I can't get over this. I should stop shooting it, right? But when do you see one this close up?
I think I've seen two ever.
Yeah, me too. I've seen one other one. This gentleman right next to me said he thinks he's seen two. It's like, that's how rare this car is.
They are, man.
Look how clean it is inside. I mean, it's just sick. It's just down to... It's definitely a restoration, but wow, is it done right. Okay, I think I've done enough on this car. This file is going to weigh probably a couple gig, but I don't care. I don't care. All right, I've had my moment with the KR. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching Mustang Medic. Again, here's the address. I'm putting it over the car. I apologize for the Instagram. Go there, follow it, tell your friends. Let's make this happen, people. This has been a public service announcement from Mustang Medic to you.